Your timer starts now.
Ni Senior San Pedro Cabal. Salamat sa inyong gihatag ng radyaw na panahon ug mabungahon na adlaw. Ugma sa akong pagpangista uban sa akong pamilya. Hatagan mo pa kami ng maayong panlawas aron makasugakod sa pagpanglagoy. Amen. Imo akong gitabangan. Pinaagi kang Senior San Pedro Claver, dili ka dyan na ako itugot na bukod na uton ang kaligatan, kay maupin niya ang hinungdan sa atong kalangkuan. Amen. Ako, ikaw, kitang karas, magkaliusa, para sa kalangkuan ng Gago ng Claver.
Ang gabi ng mga biyayang hatid na may kapal sa
Okay, that was contingent number 11. And you got 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Happy to Caps, Arlene. Okay, so contingent number 11 is all the way from Barangay Bagakay, of course, presented by their punong barangay, Honorable Sarlen L. Roble, Coordinator Noel B. Oposa, Choreographer Ever Langit, Assistant Choreographer Tristan Belleta, Festival Queen Beatriz A. Manakay. Okay, that was contingent number 11 from Barangay Bagakay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome contingent number 12. Your timer starts now.
Dito sa bukid nga ringanlang barangay Sapa, adunay maanindot o matahom nga kaliguan nga ginganlan nila malinaw. Puno sa grasya o gugma ang ilang pagpamuyo ditong lugara kay aduna sila'y panginabuhi nga mao'y nakahatag sa ila sa inagdaw-addaw nilang panginahanglan. Lubi ang ilang panginabuhi. Usa ka adlaw, adunay usa ka tawo nga nangamas-tamas sa lubi. Tungod sa ilang pag-amping, wala kini nila pasagdi. Tungod kay ang maong lubi mo'y nakahatag sa ila sa dakong grasya sa kinabuhi. Nagkahiusa sila, ila kining umahan pag-ayo o gipalambo. Busa ang Barangay Sapa maghalad sa pasalamat sa grasyang nadawa. Viva Senyor San Pedro Claver! Viva!
That was contingent number 12. And of course, time consumed, you got 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Okay, thank you so much to contingent number 12, all the way from Barangay Sapa. Of course, spearheaded by their Punong Barangay, Honorable Analisa N. Galaura, Coordinator Antonio G. Papilieras Jr., Choreographer Anthony D. Cascara, Assistant Choreographer John Michael M. Aurelia, Festival Queen Maria Janica C. Ento. And now, ladies and gentlemen, before we're going to proceed to our next contingent, I would like to inform you all the schedules of activities in this year's Panaghiusa Festival 2024. For September 8, Sadyaw sa Panaghiusa Street Dancing. Kaya ito lang itabo, 7 a.m. Dirigapon sa Clover Sports Plaza. And right now, our Sadyaw sa Panaghiusa Grand Showdown. And at 4 p.m., we will also be having our Vespera Mass and Procession at St. Peter Clover Parish. And at 9 p.m. at Clover Sports Plaza, we'll be also having our Vespera Extravaganza, present James Reed and Bex Battalion and more. And on September 9 at 9 a.m. at St. Peter Clover Parish, we will be having our Misa Con Celebrada. And on 11 a.m. at Clover Sports Plaza, we will be having our Sadyaw sa Panaghiusa Ritual Dance. And the most exciting part of the celebration, our Clover Music Fest presents Ben and Ben, of course, with KZ Dandingan and more. That would be on 3 p.m. po here at Clover Sports Plaza. And on September 10 at 6 a.m. here at St. Peter Clover Parish, we'll be having our Thanksgiving Mass. And on 8 a.m. at St. Peter Clover Parish, we will be having our Flopia Procession. And on 7 p.m. live at Nadgaron Gym, we will have our Mayor Georgia Sinumbakay sa Claver. Grabe, kabongga kaayo sa mga activities. And also on September 11, we at 8 a.m. at Clover Sports Plaza, we will be having our Suruy Suruy Ta sa Claver. And at 9 a.m. at Engineering Function Hall, we will have our Panaghiusa Literary Competition. And by 3 p.m. po on September 11 here at Clover Sports Plaza, we will have our Kasala ng Bayan 2024. And of course, at 8 p.m. here at Clover Sports Plaza, I will be hosting this event. That would be the second Clover Central Elementary School alumni.